Can you name these 10 farm animals just from their missing letters under time pressure? It is impossible to guess the last one. First one. Cow. Second one. Duck. Third one. Goat. Like the video, if you answer first 3 correct. Fourth one. Dog. Fifth one. Horse. Sixth one. Sheep. Press the subscribe button for more daily quizzes. Seventh one. Rabbit. Eighth one. Donkey. Ninth one. Parrot. Get ready for your last question. Save this quiz and don't forget to tell me your score in the comments. Last one.